Alright guys, this is going to be a little bit of a different video because this, unfortunately, I need to return. I'm going to try to work with a company to see if I can get the right connectors, but I can't really open this the way I usually do because I need to use this to return this. And therefore, I don't want you guys seeing how I open it because I want to keep it intact. But I will let you guys see what was inside the parcel. So it's a little bit different from the other videos that I do, and unfortunately there's not a whole lot of fun stuff happening in front of your eyes right now. It's all happening behind the scenes. Oh boy, it's going to be hard to keep this intact. I would like to be able to keep it intact. Come on.
Likey.